MyQ from Myco is an entirely new definition of dishwashing technology, an intelligent dishwashing system that uses groundbreaking innovations to achieve the ultimate in clean, cost-efficient, and eco-friendly operation. MyQ incorporates Air Concept, a revolutionary airflow system that retains and redirects heat inside the machine. This offers improved performance, full adherence to NSF standards, and outstanding energy efficiency. Our integrated heat recovery module dramatically reduces exhaust air emissions. The highlight and core feature of the MyQ is the MyQ filter. This actively collects food waste and periodically washes it out of the tank without requiring any additional water. All the processes in the MyQ are designed to recover and reuse heat instead of letting it go to waste. An innovative energy control system which maximizes energy efficiency. MyQ begins communicating with the staff as soon as it's turned on. The CC Touch Glass control panel provides operator and service diagnostics at a glance. The display is dynamic in output, featuring a continuously updated progress bar for timed operations, including tank fill and machine heating. The machine's current status and process data are shown clearly in plain text, helping to maximize system availability. MyQ offers a revolution in dishwashing with its groundbreaking GreenEye technology. Our efficient lighting system helps users make the dishwashing process run more smoothly, offering dynamic guidance on how to make best use of the machine's full capacity and achieve optimum savings. Genuine teamwork between people and machines creates brand new synergies. MyQ GreenEye Technology actively detects gaps between rows of dishware on the conveyor belt and only activates the rinse function where it's needed. Capable of monitoring up to 3 tracks at a time, MyQ GreenEye Smart Rinse and innovative dishware monitoring function can reduce the consumption of fresh water and rinse aid. As well as detecting gaps on the conveyor belt, GreenEye Technology also evaluates their position and uses its green light display to help users place the dishware in the optimum track. MyQ Green Coach provides the operator with positive feedback to help achieve the most efficient and cost-effective dishwashing results. That takes teamwork between people and machines to a whole new level. With the addition of the brand new MyQ Green filter, Myco has achieved remarkable new levels of cleanliness. Even the tiniest particles of soil are collected and actively removed from the dishwasher, leading to outstanding cleanliness and reduced detergent consumption. The green filter system adds dynamic chemical dispensing to the MyQ's list of features. Precise doses of detergent and rinse aid are delivered based on the speed of the conveyor belt and the varying levels of soil entering the machine. That cuts the cost of detergent, rinse agent, and energy, and also helps protect the environment. That's what we call a smart solution. The MyQ with GreenEye Technology creates a new synergy between dishroom staff and the dishwasher. Its specific recommendations to operators improve workflow and increase the efficiency of the dishwashing process. That means the kitchen manager can focus on other priorities, safe in the knowledge that GreenEye Technology has everything in hand. MyQ GreenEye Technology, a green light for a cleaner and more economical future. Welcome to the world of Myco, the clean solution.